There are places on Earth that science still cannot fully explain. A lake that turns pink for no reason. Rocks that move when nobody is watching. A crater burning for over 50 years. And number 1, did not happen on Earth. Scientists still cannot explain why this lake refuses to change color. Lake Hillier, Western Australia. Bright bubblegum pink all year round. Scientists found the same microorganisms here as in every neighboring lake in the region. Those lakes stay blue. This one stays pink. The exact reason this specific lake produces this specific color has never been fully confirmed by the scientific community. It simply stays pink. Taylor Glacier, Antarctica. A waterfall flows from a crack in the ice. The water is deep red. Ancient saltwater has been trapped beneath this glacier for 1.5 million years. When it reaches the surface and contacts oxygen, it turns the color of rusted iron. Scientists confirmed this in 2017. It has never stopped flowing, not once in recorded history. This lake looks like paradise from above. What is inside it is something else entirely. Kawah, Ijen, Indonesia. From above it, looks like the most beautiful lake on Earth. Bright turquoise blue sitting inside a volcano crater, the water is pure sulfuric acid, the most acidic lake ever recorded on Earth. Tourists hike to photograph it every year. Miners work inside this crater daily, carrying 80-kilogram sulfur loads. The most extreme workplace on the planet looks like paradise from a distance. At all these rocks move when nobody is watching. Death Valley, California. Heavy rocks weighing hundreds of kilograms slide across flat desert on their own, leaving long trails behind them. No humans, no animals. Scientists studied this for over a century. In 2014, cameras finally caught them moving at night. Thin ice sheets form underneath and wind pushes them silently. Almost nobody has ever witnessed it happening with their own eyes. This one has been happening for over 100 years. In 1986, something happened near a lake that silenced an entire region in minutes. Lake Nyos, Cameroon, August 21, 1986. The lake released a carbon dioxide cloud traveling at 100 kilometers per hour across surrounding villages. 1,746 people never woke up that morning. No sound, no smell, completely invisible. Scientists installed pipes to slowly release the pressure still building underneath. Those pipes are still running today. The pressure is still building. This one has been burning since before most countries on Earth existed. Darvaza, Turkmenistan. In 1971, engineers drilling for natural gas made one mistake. A massive crater ignited. They expected it to burn out within days. Over 50 years later, it is still burning. 69 meters wide, temperatures inside approaching 1,000 degrees. Locals call it the door to hell. No plan to stop it has ever worked. Scientists broke into something sealed for over 5 million years and found an entire world inside. Romania, 1986. Workers accidentally broke through into a cave that had been completely sealed for 5.5 million years. Inside was a living ecosystem, 48 species, all blind. No sunlight, no oxygen from outside. Every creature had evolved in total isolation for millions of years. Some species exist nowhere else on Earth. The cave is still largely unexplored today. An entire town kept falling asleep, and nobody could stop it. Kalachi, Kazakhstan. Since 2010, residents randomly fall into deep sleep lasting days, sometimes weeks. They wake with no memory of the lost time. Children hallucinate. Adults lose entire weeks of their lives without explanation. Scientists linked it to uranium mines nearby, releasing gases underground. Some residents still experience episodes today. The town is largely abandoned. The deepest point on Earth is hiding something that should not be able to survive. The Mariana Trench, 11 kilometers straight down. If Mount Everest was placed inside, its peak would still be completely underwater. In 2012, James Cameron reached the bottom alone. Complete darkness, complete silence. Yet creatures survive there with zero sunlight and zero oxygen. Scientists still cannot fully explain what powers life at this depth. 95% of the ocean floor remains unexplored. And number 1, this one did not happen on Earth. It happened in space. And nobody has ever explained it? August 15th, 1977. A radio telescope at Ohio State University detected a signal from deep space so unusual that the scientist monitoring it wrote "wow" in the margin of his printout. It lasted exactly 72 seconds. It matched the precise frequency scientists had predicted contact from beyond our solar system would use. It was never detected again in 47 years of continuous searching across every telescope on Earth. No natural explanation has ever fully satisfied the scientific community. Nobody knows what sent it. 10 places, 10 things science still cannot fully answer. All of them exist right now except number one. That signal came from somewhere, and it has never come back. Subscribe, because there is a lot more of this.